Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. If you are new, I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps me out. And don't forget to turn that notification bell on because I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. And sometimes there's some bonus videos in between as well. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I normally do every month Glossybox and Look Fantastic crazily send me PR of the box every month, which it just blows my mind still. But anyways, this month they came in quite close kind of time together, and I just thought, you know what, for once I'll combine the two together. So today we're going to be unboxing the Glossybox and also the Look Fantastic beauty box for the month of June. So the Look Fantastic box came first. Let's go through this one to begin with. I have a discount code to both these boxes. I will leave a link down below as well as previous videos if you want to know what's kind of in these boxes kind of every month so you can see whether it's worth your money or not. I will leave all the details linked down below anyways. As always, we have the little booklet inside telling us what is inside this month's box. If you remember from last month's Look Fantastic box, they kind of sneakily give us a little kind of inside scoop that the next month's box was going to be kind of like an eco box. This is this month's box. It says obviously in the front, this is our eco month as well. So let's go through the goodies that are in here. So this is what it looks like. First up, we have the Dr. Lip Tint. It's a hydrating tinted lip balm. It says it glides over the lips to deliver moisture as well as a pop of colour as well. So nice tinted lip balm from Dr. Lip. I absolutely love this brand. Like, their lip balms are unbelievable. I also have this kind of miracle balm. I think is this the nipple one, I think anyways. But oh my god, so good. My lip injection girl also uses them straight after she's done some of these lip injections, which is what got me into it as well. So yeah, nice to have like a little tinty one. I'm going to put that straight into my lip balm drawer. If you're wondering anything about this makeup look, by the way, I do have a full tutorial coming. It's a full face of revolution. But anyways, next up we have this from, is it Espa or Espa? I don't know. This is the 24-hour replenishing eye moisturiser. It says it's a deeply nourishing and hydrating eye cream formulated with a variety of effective, kind to skin ingredients, obviously, which is what this month's box is all about. Kind to the skin and kind to the environment as well. It says it's supposed to replenish, protect and soothe your delicate eye area in it as well. So you all know I absolutely love getting an eye cream in a beauty box because you just can't have enough eye cream. And my under eyes are always dry, so I'm always up for trying new ones. Next one, we have a product from the brand Rituals, which is quite a pricey brand, if I remember rightly, from when I used to work in House Fraser. This is the Rituals Mild Body Scrub. So it's an exfoliating body scrub composed with ultrafine bamboo particles, and it's a cream-based one that removes dead skin cells whilst giving you the most relaxing bathing experience as well. So yeah, we have that, and that is a 70ml bottle, so quite a decent size to be fair. Then we have the Gentle Facial Buffer. This is the So Eco, and it's cruelty-free and vegan, so it's got completely recyclable packaging as well, and they must have like a thing where every 100 one of these that I bought, they plant a tree or something. I don't know, but it says it's gently exfoliate your skin with this natural facial buffer. And this is just what it looks like. So you just use it with warm water, put your favourite body wash on it, and then rub it all over your body. So you can use it for your body or your face, depending on what you want to use it for. I have a product from Philip Kingsley. This is their Finishing Touch Polishing Serum. This is a little 20ml one for you to try. I do find that Philip Kingsley is very popular in kind of beauty boxes, especially their elasticizer, which is meant to be really, really good for your hair. And then last but not least, which was actually a sneaky preview from the brochure last month, this is the Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk. 30ml, it says it's a lightweight milky cleanser, removes all traces of pollution, SPF and even eye makeup as well. It says it leaves your complexion calmer, clearer and brighter thanks to the signature bioactive pre and probiotic complex as well. So yeah, nice little 30ml one to try out from the brand Balance Me. So that is what was in all of this month's Look Fantastic Eco box. Now let's go on to Glossybox and see what they have to offer this month, because this is also a really exciting one too. So as always, we have the little brochure inside. Oh, actually, before we go into that one, let's see if they have a little sneaky preview of next month's Look Fantastic box in here as well. Oh, they do. What's coming up? So this is your July products are arriving in something a little different next month. Got a holiday planned we've got you sorted. So it sounds like it might come like I'm going to guess like a travel bag or something for next month. I'm calling it right now. I think it's going to be like a travel-y bag or something. But it says it'll come with the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser. 20 mils worth £22. Okay, I'm really excited for next month's Look Fantastic box. But anyways, let's go on to Glossybox next. I love that they both have like sneaky previews of what's going to be in the next month's box. So the Glossybox one I haven't even opened yet. I just had a little nosy what was inside the brochure. The brochure. So this is what this one looks like. Let's go for this big one to begin with. This isn't actually part of what you get in your Glossybox. I think it's just a little added freebie, if I'm honest with you, because it's not like listed as the products that are inside it. So these are coffee bags, try me. So this is Taylor's of Harrogate. Works just like a tea bag but for ground coffee. Brew 2 mins and give a really good squeeze for lots of flavour. Okay. That's interesting. I'm sure that's one that I've seen in the advert that I was like, oh, that's actually quite an interesting concept. So that's like a little freebie in this month's box. Hello?
Can you just close all our windows, please?
Yeah, is there a firelight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then come downstairs.
Oh, okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So first up from Glossybox, we have something from the Beauty Crop, which is a brand that I haven't really tried that much of. But this is their pH Changing Hydrating Lip Oil. This retails for £13, which is crazy. But however, when you think about kind of like the Clarins lip oil, which I absolutely love to pieces, the Clarins one is like 20 something. So this is actually so much more affordable. But it says it has like a lip loving cherry oil blend as well. It'll keep your lips nice and soft and nourished day to night. Really excited to try that and see what that's like. £13, so again, really, really good value for the box. The next product is the same too. So the next one is worth £12.95. This is actually a sneaky preview from last month's box, if you remember. But this is the Nip and Fab Vitamin C Scrub Fix. This is a 75ml bottle, so quite a decent size. Again, obviously this is again full size too. It says for better results used on damp, clean skin. It's meant to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and it's meant to soften your complexion as well. The next one is another full size one, and this one is worth £23, which is actually crazy because it's a body oil, which is something that I don't normally spend a lot of money on. I very rarely use kind of body lotions or body oils as well, so this will be interesting to see what this one is like. So this is the English Leaf Body Oil from Mitchell and Peach, which is a brand that I've not heard of before. It actually smells really, really nice. It smells quite fresh, and it just, like it says in the description, that it smells like freshly cut grass, and it definitely has that smell to it, which is crazy that they've managed to like capsulise that into a scent. But yeah, £23. Crazy. The next two are holy grail products that I absolutely love. They're always in my empties. The first one is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. I love her to pieces. This is just one of the smaller ones. This is perfect for kind of putting into a travel bag when you're going away, but I absolutely love this. The other week I went to B&M and they didn't have any of these, so I had to get their own like rip-off version of it. This is like the Skin Techniques Micellar Cleansing Water. I tell you now, this burns my eyeballs to pieces, so I'm so glad to have this back into my collection so I can start using this. I just don't use this on my eyes at all, and it says you can use it on your eyes too, and I just think, oh my god, the burn, unbelievable. So yeah, so happy to have that back in my collection so my eyeballs won't burn anymore. And then last but not least, we have the Batiste Little Mini Dry Shampoo. This retails for £1.60 I believe, and this one retails for £1.99. However, if you want to try it and you want to get this small version, go to like B&M, Home Bargains, they're normally like 99p in there as well. So yeah, I'd recommend going there instead of like Boots and stuff for it. And then we have some Batiste dry shampoo, always in my empties. Absolutely love Batiste. This is my big one that I've got on the go, which is the tropical one. I think I've had the blush one before, but this packaging looks a little bit different. I don't know whether they've just changed the packaging or not, but you literally can't go wrong with Batiste dry shampoo. I've never found a dry shampoo that compares to it at all. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. But yeah, a flirty and floral fragrance as well. So as a little sneaky preview of what's going to be in next month's Glossybox, it says that in the next one it's called their July Beauty Treasures edit, which is really exciting because that makes me think that there's going to be more makeup-y stuff in it. And one of the things that we know is definitely going to be in it is this, I don't know if it's KNDRs, I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's their Kind Bronze, which is a bronzer. It's worth £14. It's a bronzing powder and it gives you that perfect sun-kissed glow. This is what it looks like. So it looks very similar, to me it's going to focus at all, but it looks very similar to the Physicians Formula kind of bronzer, like that kind of pattern to it and the packaging and everything as well. So be interesting to see what that is like as well. Fingers crossed that I get that in PR because that looks so good. So yeah, thank you so much to both Look Fantastic and to Glossybox for sending me across this month's box. Really exciting stuff in this one, and something totally different as well. So like the Look Fantastic was more like an eco-friendly, like environment-friendly, skin-friendly kind of box this month. And even like the packaging of the box is absolutely stunning. Whereas the Glossybox this month was kind of like essential products like that I would always use. So like my micellar water, my Matisse, even like this. I love lip oils. Obviously this is just a different brand in it as well. My skin, you all know if you're watching my makeup tutorials, my skin, my flaky skin is doing my head in, so I definitely need some exfoliator, and you can't say no to some oil, do you know what I mean? It's really warm out, I've had to open my windows, I don't know if you can even hear what is going on outside in the world. It is boiling, so I'm getting very dehydrated and my body will be as well, so this will come in handy. So yeah, totally different boxes, but really, really happy with both of them. What do you think? Let me know down below. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you in another video very soon. I'm going to have a full video on this makeup look coming up as well. If it is already up, I'll leave it linked down below as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my patrons for being so supportive and just so loving and just amazing. Like absolutely amazing little family that we've got going on. If you want to join our little Patreon family, it's all linked down below. It starts as little as £1 a month. You can cancel it whenever you want. So much exclusive things that we do. Giveaways, group chats, makeup sales, Instagram, Facebook. Like there's absolutely loads of things to get involved in when it comes to the Patreon group, which is absolutely lovely. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll hopefully see you in another video very soon. Love you so much. Bye!